Hey everyone, welcome back to Let's Talk. I'm your English coach Naisha, and today I've got another fantastic lesson just for you. Now tell me something. Whenever you see something really good or find something to be really good, such as an item, a place, or an experience, what words do you use to describe it? Do you say, "It's awesome," "It's so cool"? At best, you may say it's amazing. I'm sure at some point you must have expressed yourself using either of these words, especially in casual conversations. But you know what? These are quite basic English adjectives. While these words may have been our favorite adjectives for describing things that we really like, they have become so overused that they have lost their, impact. Remember, the words we use to describe things matter, and using more descriptive and interesting adjectives can make all the difference in how we communicate. Besides, the English language has so many words that we can use to express ourselves, so why stick to the same ones on repeat mode? That's why I've compiled a list of 10 advanced adjectives that you can use to replace the words cool and awesome and take your vocabulary to the next level. By using these adjectives, you'll be able to describe things in a more detailed and interesting way and impress your friends and colleagues with your expanded vocabulary. So, let's get started. Before we move forward, here's something important. If you want to fast track your English learning and learn English right from the basic A1 level and take your English to the advanced C1 level, here's a beautifully designed English course series. These are 3 English courses with over 200 plus English lessons, 450 plus quizzes, and downloadable study material in PDF format. The best part is that if you are a busy person and find it difficult to take out time to learn English, this course is perfect for you. You can learn anytime, anywhere, even while traveling. The link for these courses is mentioned in the description. Watch the sample lessons to understand how this course will help you become fluent in English faster. Now, coming back to today's lesson, first up on our list is magnificent. Magnificent. This adjective is perfect for describing something that is grand or awe-inspiring. It is a word that can be used to describe something that is truly exceptional and breathtaking, such as the view from the top of an extremely high building, for example. The view from the top of the skyscraper was magnificent, with a 360-degree view of the city as far as the eyes could see. You could also use it to describe a piece of art or a building. For instance, standing tall against the Dubai skyline, the magnificent Burj Khalifa is an architectural masterpiece. So you see how the word magnificent is a powerful adjective that can be used to convey a sense of wonder and amazement, as it's a great alternative to the overused words cool and awesome. Here's the next one. Exquisite. I love this word, exquisite. Say it with me, exquisite. Now, this word is a versatile adjective that can be used to describe anything that is beautiful or delicate in a unique way. It can be used to describe a piece of art, a piece of clothing, jewelry, or even food. Here are some examples. She was wearing an exquisite diamond necklace and received many compliments. The sculptures and paintings on display at the art exhibition were truly exquisite works of art. The chef's balanced use of spices made the dish exquisite and unforgettable. Why don't you make a sentence using this word and write it in the comments? Okay, moving on to our next adjective, which is exceptional. Exceptional. Now, this adjective can be used to describe anything that stands out from the rest. It implies a high level of quality or performance that, surpasses the usual or expected standard. It conveys a sense of uniqueness and excellence. So whether you're describing a person's abilities or describing great customer service, exceptional is a word that can add depth and meaning to your language. Let's have a look at some examples. The restaurant is known for its exceptional quality of food and service. Mary's exceptional leadership qualities have contributed significantly to the success of the team. So the word is exceptional. Do use it. All right, moving on, we have the word majestic. Majestic. This adjective is similar to magnificent, but it conveys a sense of awe and admiration for something that is impressive and regal by nature. For example, you could use it to describe a large animal such as a lion or an elephant. Here's how. The elephant walked with a majestic gait. Here we are appreciating the manner in which an elephant walks. The lion, with his flowing mane, looked truly majestic as it roamed around the area. Now you could use the word majestic to describe a building or monument too. The Eiffel Tower looked truly majestic, especially when you see it all lit up at night. The word majestic carries a sense of grandeur and can add a touch of sophistication to your vocabulary. To follow, we have our next word, which is splendid. Splendid. This word is used to express appreciation for something or someone, making it suitable for describing experiences, events, places, or objects that are, truly impressive, delightful, or of high quality. Let's see how we can use this word in a sentence. After so much rain, the weather this week has been absolutely splendid. The view of the sunset over the ocean was a truly splendid sight. The food and amenities at the 5-star resort were splendid. Similarly, you could use this word to describe a person's performances or achievements. I heard you got a promotion at work. That's splendid news. Next up is one of my personal favorites, which is phenomenal. Phenomenal. Now, phenomenal is a word that can be used to describe something that is, truly exceptional and completely stands out from the rest. For instance, you could say, the new electric car has a phenomenal range, making it a game changer in the automotive industry. Similarly, you could use it to describe a person's talent or skill. The singer's live performance was phenomenal, leaving the audience in awe of his talent. To follow, we have the word mind-blowing. Mind-blowing. Now, this word is often used to describe experiences, ideas, or things that are so extraordinary or impressive that they seem to have a profound impact on your mind, leaving a lasting impression. Anything that you feel is extremely impressive, surprising, or astonishing, you can call it mind-blowing. The view from the mountaintop was absolutely mind-blowing. It took my breath away. The virtual reality game was mind-blowing. It felt like I was actually inside another world. The concert we went to last week was so mind-blowing that everyone still can't stop talking about it. As you can see, this word conveys a sense of amazement and astonishment, suggesting that an experience or a thing is so impressive that it has the power to overwhelm your mind with wonder. Moving on, we have the word spectacular. This is a word that can be used to describe anything that is visually stunning or awe-inspiring. It is perfect for describing events or experiences that leave a lasting impression on your senses. For instance, you could use it to describe a breathtaking sunset, a stunning piece of art, or a thrilling performance. The word spectacular is a great alternative to the overused words cool and awesome, and can add a touch of excitement and wonder to your vocabulary. For instance, the fireworks display tonight was spectacular. Our trip around Europe was spectacular. The word spectacular is a great alternative to the overused words cool and awesome, so do use it. Moving on to our next word, which is breathtaking. Breathtaking. Now, this adjective is used to describe something that is so beautiful that it takes your breath away. It's a word that can be used to describe natural wonders, such as a stunning sunset or a majestic mountain range. You could also use it to describe a view from a high place, such as the top of a skyscraper or a hot air balloon. For example, the view of the city from the top of the Empire State Building was breathtaking, with the lights of the city stretching out as far as the eyes could see. The word breathtaking is a powerful adjective that can convey a sense of wonder and amazement. And finally, we have the adjective phrase top-notch. Top-notch. If you describe something as top-notch, you mean that it is of the highest quality. It's an enhanced way of saying that something is excellent. Apple users believe that in mobile phones, an iPhone is top-notch. He delivered a top-notch presentation. Keep it up. That was top-notch work. So there you have it, 10 advanced adjectives to replace the overused words cool and awesome. I hope you found this video helpful and that you're inspired to expand your vocabulary. Now that you have learned these 10 advanced adjectives, it's time to put them into practice. Challenge yourself to use them in your everyday conversations and writing, and you'll find that your vocabulary has expanded. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos just like this. Thanks for watching and see you again soon. Until then, bye-bye.